there friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Stitch, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started with his head kind of tilted up further towards the right. So with that, we're going to start with the right eye higher. So coming up on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. Because the face is positioned up on a diagonal, we're going to come down on a diagonal for that left eye. So coming down across, let's draw in another nice big circle for that left eye. Now that we have that further over towards the left, let's draw in a nice big circle for that highlight. We're going to come across on a diagonal on both sides from that circle. So creating this one smaller for the second highlight. And then now we're just going to color in that eye black. Now let's add in the detail as we come around the eye. So stepping through on a diagonal from each eye, we're just going to curve this line around, bringing this down and over towards the side. We're going to do the same thing on the left. So stepping across on a diagonal from that left eye, bringing that around and then down. Let's close this off underneath. So we're just going to draw in a curved line, tucking that up, connecting that together. Now in the middle, let's draw on the nose. So we're going to draw in a curved line right in the center. And then we're going to arch this down on the bottom, curving this around, and then back up on the right. Now for the nostrils, we're just going to arch this over and through towards the side. And we're just going to color them in black. Let's move up. We're going to draw in a curved line, stretching across. And then one more time coming in, just making this one slightly smaller. Now let's come down for the mouth. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this across towards the right. And then we're going to curve this up on a diagonal on both sides. Now underneath, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, closing that off. Let's add in the teeth. So on the left and right hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big triangle. And then stepping in towards the middle, we're going to replicate that, making this one slightly smaller. Let's close off the tongue. We're just going to create a nice big arch line, finishing that off. And now let's step up in the middle. We're going to draw in the tuft of hair on the top. So continuing through from the center on a diagonal, we're going to curve this around and in. I'm going to curve this out towards the left, pulling that back through. And then again, just curving this up and down on the right. Now let's close off the side of the head. So on the top left-hand side, we're going to round this out, curving this over, pulling that in towards the middle. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right-hand side, pulling this around and just connecting that back together. Now from here on the left-hand side for the ear, we're going to curve this line up, over and through towards the left. We're going to continue to curve this down. We're going to draw that little cutout in the ear. So we're just going to draw in two diagonal lines coming out, creating a sideways letter V. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this all the way back through towards the side of the head. Now from the top here, we're going to curve this down, out, pulling that back in towards the side of the head. Then we'll do the same thing as we come up on the right. So stepping over, we're going to curve this line up, around and through. And we're going to end these ears, the points, so they're ending on a slight diagonal, just like the head. This one, we're going to continue to curve this further around. So we're going to curve this in. And now our cutout's going to be further below. So again, a sideways letter V. And then we're just going to continue to tuck this in towards the head. From the top here, from that point, we're going to curve this out, around and through towards the side. And now let's draw on the left arm. So coming underneath, we're going to round this out, curving this over. We're going to draw in a very small circle right in the middle. Let's draw on the claws. We're going to round this out, curving this down. In the center, let's replicate that. And then we'll do the same as we come underneath on the bottom. Now let's leave a gap, rounding out the knee, curving that in. We'll close off the side of the body, curving that up. And now for the foot, stepping through, we're going to curve this around and over. Now in the middle, let's draw in a circle for the bottom of that foot. And now for the claws, we're going to draw in an arch line. In the middle, replicating that. And then the exact same thing as we come over on the left. Closing off the bottom of the body here, we're going to curve this line out. Let's step up on the left-hand side, curving this out, around, tucking that back up on the side. So then we'll leave a gap on the bottom here, curving that back through. Let's draw on this bottom leg here. We're going to curve this in, around, tucking this all the way through towards the top right. In the center, we're going to draw in an arch line for that claw. We'll step over on the side, replicating that. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now on the right-hand side, we're going to come around, curving this over and through on the top. In the middle, let's draw in another circle. In the center, we're going to draw in another arch line for that claw. We'll step through on the top, replicating that. And then one more time as we move through on the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw a stitch. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.